Welcome, in front of me is a ZTE Blade V8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to power off the device and wait for the device to turn off, which will be indicated by the phone's vibration, at which point you then want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. There was the vibration, so like I said, power key, volume up, and once you see the ZTE logo on the screen, let go of only the power key. And you should then be located in the recovery mode. So in this mode you'll need to use volume keys to navigate through it. So volume down will go down and up obviously will go up. And with that in mind, you want to select wipe cache partition and then confirm it with power key. There we go, cache wipe complete. At which point Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press power key once more and this will take you back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.